Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Love Nails Nicole. Please excuse the mess, but I just wanted to show you guys really quick why I have been MIA, because I've been moving, and I wanted to show you guys like my stash of polish, y'all. This is all nail polish, okay? All these boxes. This over here, I've got more back there. I don't know if you can see. I can't get over there. I got stuff in the way. Yeah, so I don't have a nail table currently at the moment, so I have all my stuff stashed here. Have little warnings written on my boxes so they wouldn't drop them. But yeah, I'm currently trying to find some space for my stuff. So that is why I have been missing. You guys can't see me because of the light. But I have so much to put away. I have my nail polish shelf. My light just cut off. I have my nail polish shelf here that I'm going to probably hang on this wall over here. And then I'm going to put like my polishes on it, I think. Or like nail tools or something. I think polishes. This little kit right here, that's polish. I think I shared that in what's in my polish stash. I have to do one of those videos soon. But I love this shelf. It's wood, nice and solid, and I got it at a yard sale for 20 bucks. And I also got this one. I got this one for $2. Isn't it cute? I like the little hearts on it. It's perfect for the Love Nails Nicole. And you open it, and it has like these little hooks here where you can hang stuff. I was thinking of like maybe hanging my necklaces or something from here, but I may also put like some nail stuff on here, maybe my favorite nail polishes or perfume or something like that. But I thought it wasn't bad for 2 bucks. I got this at the same yard sale. I'm about to drop it. I have nail polish remover stashed here on hubby's little game console. But yeah, so I'm just waiting till I get my table and then unpack my stuff and get my little, this is going to be my nail area. I'm going to put my nail table over here and have a little chair, have my shelf up and all that good stuff. So I can't wait to get it together and get unpacked. So I'll be back soon as I get some space to do some videos on, y'all. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. Please stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And I will see you guys soon in the next video. Alright, bye guys.